Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday, it's Labor Day. I didn't have any class today, so that's so good, loved that. This video is gonna be a week in my life in college. So I'm gonna be going to class, studying, failing tests probably. I'm gonna be filming my week this week. I hope it's a really good video. I'm really excited for this because I've watched a bunch of these videos and I love them. I'm currently sweating so much I might look greasy. I'm sorry, it's so hot here. So this video is only gonna be 4 days of the week, not 5, clearly, because today is Monday and there's no school. I'm gonna start this video tomorrow. I just wanted to get this in before I start because I have an 8 a.m. and I want to say what I'm doing before. I don't know, does that make sense? I don't know. Yeah, so I have class at 8 a.m. tomorrow and then another class around 11, I don't really remember, and then another class at 3:55, so I have a huge gap. I'm probably gonna go tanning by the lake over here, so that's gonna be fun. That is what this video is gonna do. Before I get into it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm gonna be doing a lot of college videos, so stay tuned for that. I know everyone really likes college videos. Let's just get right into the video. Hi guys, so I finished my first class. It was at 8 a.m. It was psychology. Did I like it? No. Was I doodling in my notebook the whole time? Yes. It ended 20 minutes early, thank God, because it's an hour and 20 minutes and it was only an hour and it was so nice. It's currently 10:45 right now. I've been just watching YouTube videos. I have to leave in like 5 minutes for my next class. It's at 11:10 and it's music. And I did not pick this class. I hate it so much. I'm gonna be going to music in 5 minutes and I'm so excited for it. I didn't go to breakfast because I'm lazy and I didn't want to go alone. Literally, I look like a fangirl. I have my Shane Dawson pop socket and his merch on right now and people are probably like, what the f. I'm gonna look up the dining menu right now because I know I'm gonna be so hungry after this class. Mozzarella sticks. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my class and I will see you guys. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm back from my class. Was it great? Yes. I have a class at 4 and it's 12:30, so I have a lot of time and I'm not gonna tan. I know I'm not going to. I'm gonna eat, probably don't know when. I'll let you know if something happens. I'm sweating and I'm starving. I need mozzarella sticks. Got my daily bagel. Hello, so the last time I updated you guys, I don't know what I was doing. I went to class, I forgot to record that. I've been just watching YouTube like usual. I'm about to do my makeup because I'm really, really bored. I'm debating recording it. Nah, you don't care, right? No, you don't. I'll check in on you guys, during it, maybe after, who knows. Hey, okay, look at me. Finished my makeup. Since I did this for over an hour and I have nothing to do, I might as well take pictures. So I'm gonna take selfies, I guess. Hello, I'm on my phone, so terrible quality, but I didn't feel like getting up and getting my camera. So I took pictures, insert here. And now I'm eating a Pop-Tart and I'm watching another Cinderella story. That's what I'm doing right now. So, it is the end of the day. I'm not going to be doing anything else today, so I have an 8 a.m. tomorrow in Guam, so I will see you then. Hi guys, so update, it is Wednesday now. I had an 8 a.m. class and then a class right after it. I didn't film anything, I was, whatever. But today, oh, I have a story. So, around 6:20, 6:25, guess what happened? We have a fire drill. Yes, at 6:30 a.m. I thought I was in an insane asylum. I don't know, it was so obnoxious. I would have been more mad if I didn't have an early class, but I was gonna be waking up in a half an hour after that anyway, so I wasn't like too ticked off, but I was like, so that's what happened this morning. Then I had class, and then I had lunch, I had a sandwich, and now I'm back in my dorm, and I have a lot of homework to do. My next class, which is at like 1:50, so I have time. I have like 2.5 hours to spare, so I'm probably gonna either start editing this video or doing homework and studying, which I probably should be doing that, but who knows what I'm gonna do. So that's my update right now. Also, Justin Bieber's upstate right now, like an hour away from me, and am I freaking out? Yeah, kind of. I'm supposed to be reading this whole chapter by my next class and have a quiz on it. I'm just confused. I hate history, oh my god. Going to the library because it's too hot in my room. It's so hot. So I just got back from my history class, and turns out the quiz was literally 5 questions and she wasn't counting it. Now I think I'm gonna go edit part of this video that I have already. Why is there a pen on my arm? Oh wow, looking great. It's been a hot minute since I checked up on you guys. I don't know what time it was in my last clip, but it's like 10 p.m. now. I've been editing, watching YouTube, editing, more YouTube, and I did my calculus homework. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna take a break with the editing right now and shower. So I'm gonna go shower and yeah. Hi guys. My alarm didn't go off, so I just got ready in literally 5 minutes and I'm sweating. Thank God this class isn't far because I would have been screwed. I made it with 5 minutes to spare and I'm sweating. Hey guys, so I just got back from the library. I was studying for my, high exposure. I was studying for my calc quiz that's tomorrow, and I know I'm not going to do good on it. So tonight, my RA is doing a yoga session, so I'm doing yoga tonight. Do I know how to do yoga? Not at all, but I'm a dancer, so I feel like I could like balance good. I don't know. This is my fit. Already sweating and we didn't even start. Hi guys, so it is now Friday morning. I'm sorry I look disgusting. I didn't sleep that well, but I have a math test in like an hour and I don't have batteries in my calculator. So I don't know how I'm gonna take it. Hey guys, so I just got back from class and I feel so much better. I was just so tired, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna end the vlog now just because I don't really have anything else to do. I have to do homework and I really want to get it done, and that's literally all I have to do today. I'm probably gonna nap because I didn't get that much sleep. This is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more college videos, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.